Hey everyone, thanks for watching. The garden is flourishing and we're ready to do a little bit of a harvest. We're going to check out the cucumbers, we're going to check out the jalapeños, and a few tomatoes are ready, so let's get started. So our cucumber trellis is doing great, and we have cucumbers going everywhere, but we have to look very carefully under the leaves to find all the cucumbers. We don't want to let them get too ripe, otherwise the plant will die. So now let's look. What do you guys find? Let's look.
I found one there.
There's one right here. We'll clip this one off.
I found it.
It's kind of in the dirt or whatever, but it's still good. Just wash it off, no problem. Add it to our collection. Okay. And then Rivka found one here. These are looking good. Another nice looking one. Okay, girls, what else do you find? Benjamin found one right here. Okay.
Oh, look on that. I found that one. I also.
The more we pick, the more they'll grow. So we want to keep picking them. Wow, look at this one. That's a nice size one.
Found them.
Okay, let's finish on this side. See, there's some little ones that are hanging down, but we want to let those finish growing. If they're very little, we could leave them. Now some of these leaves are getting a little yellow. I'm going to prune those away to make sure that there's enough sun and everything going to them. I am also probably going to give it a little bit of fertilizer, some iron, but I have to get that first. And also it will help us be able to see our cucumbers so we don't lose any underneath. Okay, take some tomatoes. Take any of the red ones. Okay, Benjamin.
But don't pick all of them. That's the last one.
Show us what you got. It's a nice one.
Nice and big.
Our squash grove here has this little fellow under here. Let's see if we could get him. Okay, not bad. Right in the basket. Here's more jalapenos. They're really taking off. I just want to take the biggest ones and let them continue to grow and share them with our friends and neighbors. You go for it. Just don't cut your finger. No. Okay. All right. Well. It's not too bad. Okay, thank you. Can you give it to now Yocheved? Put it in the basket.
Now I'm gonna take some jalapenos.
Let's see. Go.
Oh, what one's that?
Yeah, don't clip the fruit. Clip it by the stem. It's
That's
okay
what I'm
if there's some
doing.
Yocheved. See the stem? Clip it like in the middle of the stem. Yeah. On the stem. Yeah, clip. There you go.
We got a lot of stuff, Tati.
Let's see. Find a jalapeno and clip it. Don't clip your fingers.
Okay.
Good. Let's see. Show everyone. That's good.
We harvest today squash, tomatoes, cucumbers, and jalapenos.
Let's see.